Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm continuing the Learning to Read Code series. This is episode 8, and this one we're going to populate our for sale drug list, hopefully. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to have a list of drugs, and these prices here I'm actually going to use as the base prices for that drug. So they'll either be, when you move around, they'll either be higher or lower than these prices. So the first thing we're going to have to do is create global variables for these then. So in here. Okay, so again, we're going to make this a global variable. So public shared drug data. And we're going to have, put a bracket in, it's going to have 9 drugs and 2 columns. And that's going to be a string. So now we need to actually put the data into the drug data. So let's see if it'll let me do it here. If not, I may have to do it in the form.load. So drug data. Okay, yeah, it's not letting me do it there. Okay, that's fine. So drug data can be populated up here. So global drug data, bracket. Okay. And the first slot is 0. The first column 0. And the second column 0. Since this is the name of the drug, we'll just jump across to our list. So we have acid. Okay. So I need 9 of these to actually set the drug names. So it's cocaine, heroin. What's POT? Okay. Interestingly, I've noticed weed is missing from there. So we may have to add to this going forward. So I shall jump about in the actual game, make sure nothing else comes up. Okay, hashish is new. Shrooms is new. Okay, so I've had to change that to 12. Okay, I think that's all the drugs. So we basically copy this again. And change all these to 1. and then put in some prices. So hashish 184, 6814 for heroin. Ludes is 48. 562 for opium. 1137 for shrooms. And 960 for speed. Weeds 316. So need biotear PCP. Acids 1791. PCB 2499. So we need biotear and cocaine. Got an MDA 1640. 17472. So we're just looking for somewhere that's selling peyote. 418. So obviously these may need revisited in the future, but that gives us some base prices. So save all. Okay, so let's have a shot at trying to populate this. So we're going to try using a for loop. So for that we do for index, which is just a counter, as integer equals 0, 2, and I'll do global variables. Dot drugs data dot length -1. Okay. So we will then do list view 1 dot items dot add, and then it will be global variables dot drug data bracket, and it will be integer, or sorry, index, comma 0. Okay, it will then be list view 1 dot items bracket index, because we want to change the number that we're currently targeting in the loop, dot sub items, because it's the second column, dot add, because we want add to it, bracket, and then it'll be again global variables, oops, dot drug data bracket index, comma 1 bracket, I think. Okay, so in theory that should populate our listbox.1. Oh, there's an error. Why would it be out of bounds? Okay, we'll do debug dot write line bracket index, or just index in fact. Trying to find out what index actually is. Try that again. Okay, must be closed in parenthesis. Fair enough. Okay, so it can't be dot length, it must be, it will be dot count actually. So yep, I've made a mistake. Let's try that. Count is not a member of string. Okay, so for some reason it wasn't picking up the correct length of the array, so my code was obviously wrong there. So because we know there's 12 items in the array that we set down here, I've just set the index to 12. So for index is integer equals 0 to 12 minus 1, and then the adds I had previously. Just run that, and there we go, they're populated. So shrooms should be the last one. It is, and it should be 1137. It is. Okay, so that's that one populated. And that's it for this tutorial. Next, we will code the by part. And we will, in fact, next we will code changing these. Yeah, next we will code changing these when we jet to a different location. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.